Hello everyone. In continuation to our topic analytical geometry, this is question 1. Prove by distances that the 3 points -2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 7, 0, -1 are collinear. Collinear means we need to prove that it falls on a straight line. It lies on a straight line, all the 3 points. In the previous video, we had already seen for a two-dimensional geometry, the formula for a distance between 2 points as if P x1, y1 and x2, y2 are 2 points, then the distance between them is PQ is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. We had seen this in the previous video. So here, this is a three-dimensional point. So that will be an extension of this. Means, let us say if P x1, y. Similarly, I will say, if P x1, y1, z1, comma, Q x1, y1, x2, y2, z2. x2, y2, z2 or 2 points, then the distance between them will be, so it will be just, we spoke about, it will be an extension, which means PQ will be square root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square plus z1 minus z2 the whole square. So on that basis, let us first consider these points to be A, B, C. Let A is equal to -2, 3 and 5. -2, 3 and 5. Comma, B equal to 1, 2, 3. And C equal to 7, 0, -1. Now let us find out the individual distance. Then AB will be root of -2 minus 1 the whole square, means this and this we are considering, plus 3 minus 2 the whole square plus 5 minus 3 the whole square. So that will be -3 the square is 9, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So this will give us root 14. Now let us find out what is BC. Will be 1 minus 7 the whole square plus 2 minus 0 the whole square plus 3 minus or minus 1. It becomes 3 plus 1 the square equal to -6 the square is 36. 2 square is 4. 4 square is 16. So this will give us root of 56. Root of 56 can be written as 4 into 14 under root. That means it is 2 root 14 units. Since we don't know what is the distance units, we will simply write units. Then CA will be square root of 7. I mean, we are comparing this with the first point. 7 minus or minus 2, it becomes 7 plus 2, the square, plus 0 minus 3, the square, plus minus 1 minus 5, the whole square. That will be equal to 9 square, which is 81, minus 3, the square is plus 9. This is minus 6, the square, it's 36. So if we add 90 plus 36, it becomes square root of 126. So that is CA. This can be written as 9 into 14. That is nothing but 3 root 14 units. So we may notice now AB plus BC is root 14 plus 2 root 14. If I add, I will get 3 root 14. 3 root 14 is nothing but CA. So two sides sum is equal to the third side. We can say ABC are collinear. Therefore, A, B, and C are collinear. That is the solution for this question. Let us move on to question 2. Find the distance between the following pair of points A 2, 5 and B minus 3, 7. So let us consider this as x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So then distance AB will be root of x1 minus x2, the square, plus y1 minus y2, the square. So that means if I substitute, it will be 2 minus or minus 3, it becomes 2 plus 3, the square, plus 5 minus 7, the square. That is equal to 2 plus 3, the square is 25. And this is minus 2 square, so it is plus 4. So we get root 29 units. That is the solution for this particular question.